Hello, everyone, and welcome to this tutorial of hotspot indicator. To add a hotspot indicator, you will need first to add a hotspot as I mentioned in previous videos by the classic way or the drag and drop way, then you click on hotspot indicator. You can add a text or HTML content, an HTML content. To this indicator, you can customize its background color, as I'm doing right now. If the text color don't suit your hotspot, you can customize it by adding any color to the corresponding text or add a style balise in your HTML content. You can decide if you want to hide this indicator in mobile version. If you want to modify the font weight, don't forget to select normal in font weight section. That's it, and don't forget to save changes and see your updates. See you in other videos.